माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, 18th सेंचुरी है, एनलाइटनमेंट का पीरियड है, इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन स्टार्ट हो चुका है। फिजिक्स मैथ ने मेटलर्जी और इंजीनियरिंग जैसे नए डिसिप्लिन का रास्ता ओपन किया है। नई इंडस्ट्रीज इमर्ज हो रही हैं। उसका इफेक्ट, उसका इंपैक्ट सोशल साइंसेस पर क्या हुआ? वी लर्न कल्चर बिकेम सॉफ्टवेयर ऑफ द माइंड। एजुकेशन affected how the rational mind and the human mind will think. Think about the world. Think about the evidences. Think about the truth and the reality. So economists were known as polymath. और आज भी आप देखिए इकोनॉमिक्स पर मैथमेटिक्स का सबसे ज्यादा असर आपको नजर आएगा। इट्स थ्योरेटिकल, ये थ्योरी है। इसको कंसेप्चुअली डेवलप किया जाता है और आया इसका प्रैक्टिकली बिजनेस पर क्या इफेक्ट है, ये तो फिर वक्त ही बताता है। सो इकोनॉमिक्स इज द नेम ऑफ थ्योरी, एंड थ्योरीज आर ऑलवेज डेवलप्ड मैथमेटिकली, लॉजिकली, रैशनली, एंड नेचुरली if the economists were polymath and management as such as a discipline was not developing at that time, but old concerns of the military strategy, leadership के concept और city state के government के concept वो तो मौजूद थे, and these were the concepts which were later on leading towards the theories of management. And of course, those theories coming from the military strategy and the leadership and the city-state government administration start giving those thinkings which really led to the Western management theories. लेकिन जो चीज उस वक्त सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट हुई वो ये कि there is a need now, number one, how to manage technology, number two, how to manage people who are using that technology, and number three, how you will manage the new scientific knowledge. इसलिए कि तीनों चीजों को मैनेज करना है आपने। People who are thinking freely, speaking freely, and technologies opening up new door for new industries. So you have to manage new industries. You have to manage new way of thinking of people, and you have to manage new scientific knowledge. So these were the challenges of the 18th century. और very importantly, वो जो एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमी हुआ करती थी, वो जो क्रॉप और स्टेट मैनेजमेंट की बातें हुआ करती थी, उसके मुकाबले में now the discussion is on steel making. स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज पूरा एक सेक्टर ओपन हो गया। Shipping became a big business, and railways opened new doors for communication and transportation. ये 18th सेंचुरी के अंदर ये चीजें हैं जो इमर्ज होकर सामने आ रही हैं। Steel making industry on the basis of metallurgy, railway and railroads again on the basis of the refining of the iron and the steel, and ships are being made again out of the iron and steel. But of course, managing these industries and managing the people and managing the knowledge, this itself was a challenge for management. And there was no discipline as such which will present to you the management as a theory. Business was being governed and being looked into mathematically. Economists giving the concept of business, proving it mathematically. So then it means उस वक्त 18th सेंचुरी के जमाने में we need to learn from the work of economists. इकोनॉमिक्स के अंदर सबसे पहले जो नया डिसिप्लिन इमर्ज हुआ, that is known as political economy. It emerged as a sub-discipline of economics. And since economists were mathematicians, and political economy became the science of how you deal and manipulate and exploit the resources. I repeat, how you manipulate and how you exploit. Of course, exploiting in economics is still known as beneficial. So economists were talking about taxation, economists were talking about money, and economists were also interested in music and medicine. But medicine open knowledge that you were talking about organization, which you learned from the military strategy as an organization. And human body was considered as an organization. So medical people, they looked into the organization knowledge and they presented arguments and beliefs how the human body is arranged. Sir William Petty, a British scholar, is known, although he was the first mercantilist कहना चाहिए, business-oriented mindset, who wrote broadly on diverse subjects like medicine, economics, and politics. And his thoughts not only flourished in Britain, they flourished in England, in France, and in Scotland. So Scotland, Ireland, England, whatever new thoughts were presented, of course, they will affect the thoughts of the people of France and Germany and all over Europe. So we will see how it will emerge in 18th century in Industrial Revolution.